Hey, this is James Pelton, and I'm in Yosemite National Park today. So I'm in week 2 of my 5-week road trip across all of the western United States. So still getting videos out when I'm able to. So one request that I get a lot is if I have any sort of Discord group where people can, talk with me, ask questions, things like that, get my opinions early on things. And so I've thought a lot about, hey, should I create my own Discord group? It seems like a lot of work, and I don't have very much bandwidth. Like, I barely can keep up on my DMs and emails and everything like that. So as you guys know, I'm good friends with Andy from Your Friend Andy YouTube channel. Go follow him, subscribe to him, and also Kolin from Decade Investor. I'm good friends with them, and they already have a paid Discord group. So I think rather than starting my own, I'm going to just kind of tag on to them. That's what I do best, is latch on to others and their success, ride their coattails. But I'm going to hop in their Discord, and I now have my own Discord channel in there. So there's a James Pelton Discord channel, and I'll be in there hanging out through the day. I'll answer questions, kind of talk about what I'm thinking about through the day, what videos are upcoming, what coins am I buying, things like that. So in my opinion, this is actually better than me running my own paid Discord server. So this is only $60 a month, and you get access to me, you get access to all of Andy's stuff, you get access to all of Colin's stuff. They do live streams to answer questions, and I'm sure I'll hop in on those too. I think that'll be fun. There's a ton of stuff in here, and stuff that I don't know anything about. Like, they have a whole NFT section, which, again, if you guys follow me, I know nothing about NFTs. I don't get them, don't understand what's going on with them. So they have NFT experts. They do a lot of research on different miners. Andy just bought a bunch of Bitcoin miners, and so he's kind of doing his thing, and so you can get access to all of that and all their research. Kolin is really good at the stock market. So again, my extent of stock market investing is I buy an index fund and then I sit there. But Kolin is much more involved. We talk a little bit about, I see there's a real estate channel in here, so it goes beyond even just crypto. And I love just that, me and Kolin and Andy are kind of all at different stages in our journey. So I think just a lot of good content in there, and a lot of good discussion and things like that. Also, another good reason to hook up with them is they're very good. They do a lot of giveaways and things like that in their community. In fact, I think right now, if you sign up before June 1st, they're giving away $2,000 worth of Bitcoin, and they do stuff like this all the time. So they're creative about interacting with their audience. So again, that's why I'd rather latch on with them. So again, I'll leave this link. I do get half of the money if you sign up using my link. So I get half, they get half. They're doing, big chunk of the work. In my opinion, and again, I'm biased because I really like Andy and Kolin, but $60 a month for what they're offering is not that bad. So I will leave this link below, and I hope to see you guys in my new channel. I'm excited. We already got a few people hanging out in there, but I hope to see you all there as well. So thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.